Hey everybody, it's Gary here. Today we're going to do a quick walkthrough on the gratitude generator in the AI wellness universe. This is an amazing app and I love this for creating good content ideas to plug into other apps within the wellness universe. And we're going to show you how you can do that. So it's pretty simple, straightforward as you can see here. This helps you reflect on the day, and develop the habit of appreciating the little things and feeling grateful. In the long run, this can increase happiness and satisfaction with life overall. Alright, so let's get started here. Thing or person I am grateful for today. Let's see. My amazing and supportive wife. How about that one? For two, my loving children. And how about my grandchildren? We'll keep it simple, minimal prompting. That's what is so amazing about the AI wellness universe is you don't have to be a prompting engineer to use these apps. It's pretty simple. You can see I just put minimal prompting in, aspect ratio, 16:9, landscape, square, you got 9:16, so people want to view on the phone, depending on what you're using it for, social media, you might want to pick a different ratio. Square is usually pretty safe. We'll do with the landscape today for this demo. And as you can see, here's some of the ones that keeps your history right here. And look at it, even creates images with your post. So that's it. We put in three different things that we're grateful for, and we'll generate results. There you go, 1 minute and 40 seconds, less than 2 minutes. And this thing's going to give us something to work with here. So let's see what we can get out of the gratitude generator today. I love this app because gratitude is so important, and this helps keep you focused and grounded on being grateful. So here you go. That was pretty fast. See what we got. Today I am grateful for. I am grateful for my amazing and supportive wife who stands by me through all challenges. I am grateful for my loving children who bring joy and meaning to my life. I am grateful for my grandchildren who will fill my days with laughter and delight. So as you can see, I put in minimal prompting and it added to what I put in, which is always awesome. Let's see, suggestion 1. Instead of just stating that you are grateful for your amazing sort of wife, describe a specific moment recently when she showed her support and how it made you feel. Reflect on why her support is so meaningful to you. Suggestion 2. Reflect on an experience with your children that brought you joy or taught you something important. Consider expressing how their presence has influenced your life positively and delve into emotions related to that experience. So that's pretty cool. It gives you, it expands upon what you put in so you can kind of go a little deeper in your gratitude. Suggestion 3, with your grandchildren, think about a particular moment that made you smile or laugh. Emphasize the emotions you felt during this interaction and explore why those moments gained with them are so cherished. And here you go. Look at this beautiful image it created to go with that. So this is pretty amazing. It kind of helps take your what you're grateful for and goes a little deeper into it and helps you reflect upon different gratitude things you're grateful for. So sorry about that. Yeah, so this is pretty amazing. So it gets you thinking. So you can use this with clients or for yourself, and it kind of gets you thinking and getting a little deeper into your gratitude, which is always good, to be grateful for all that we have and stay positive, and just to share that with others so we can uplift others. So that was a brief overview of the gratitude generator. I hope you find this useful and I hope this helps. Thank you so much. See you next time.